Cheers, guys! We're back. Welcome to Harper Living, and guess what? It's summer, and I'm loving every minute of it. When I think of summer, I think of hosting, I think of patio parties, I think of really great appetizers and barbecue. And I get invited to a lot of parties, but I also host a lot of parties. And one of my best friends, Tasha Baines, has this 7-layer dip that everyone goes crazy for. And why I think everyone loves it is because all the ingredients are fresh. She makes everything herself, and I stole the recipe for you guys, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it. You never have to buy 7-layer dip again. This stuff tastes amazing, and it literally takes 10 minutes to put together. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to use some canned stuff because I am not about to slice olives or refry my own beans, okay? Just can't do it. But we are going to go to the garden and grab a couple of things because we want fresh cilantro, fresh onions, fresh chives, fresh garlic, and I have all that growing, so I'm going to go grab it, and we're going to need a lot of spices. Well, not a lot of spices. Teja food spices are my favorite spices, and we're going to be using that in our recipe as well. So let's go outside. Also, Cole, I don't know what concoction this is. This is amazing. What did you put in here?
Just, it's soda, tequila, and muddled watermelon, because I saw you had watermelon in the fridge.
Oh my God, it's delish.
Not bad.
Let's go. So we're gonna grab some onions. I cannot believe these are from my garden, you guys. Sometimes I'm just like, I'm a gardener. I could grow people, I could grow herbs, I could grow plants. I feel amazing. Okay, gonna grab some cilantro. We're gonna need a lot of it, so I'm just gonna grab a whole bunch right here. What else do I need? I think I will need, let's take some parsley, why not? So I'm gonna grab some peppers. And that's it, you guys. Let's go inside and wash our produce.
How long do you think these took to grow?
Took 3 weeks, not even, like maybe, well, that's a lie, a month?
Yeah, not bad. Though.
Yeah, not bad.
They're huge.
I know, I think a month. I did plant them in May before I went on my trip. So a month.
Nice.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I love onions. I use them in pretty much everything. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our salsa, and I really believe that's the most important layer of this 7-layer dip because it's all fresh ingredients, and when you make homemade salsa, nothing tastes as good. So let's start off making that. I'm gonna open up a can of just regular diced tomatoes. You could use any tomatoes, really. And I'm gonna make this whole can. I know it's a lot of tomatoes, but we love salsa. Like, I don't have to use all of it in this dip, but I will put it on top of my eggs in the morning. I will give some to Cole to take home. I love this stuff. Okay, once that's in, we're gonna go ahead and just take our cilantro, and you really need a lot of cilantro. I love cilantro. Like I said in previous videos. Oh, what is that? I love cilantro. I love cilantro. I know it's an acquired taste, but you need a lot of it, so just shove it all in there. Try not to take the big stems, just the leafy parts. Then we're gonna throw in a pepper. We're an Indian household. We like spice, so we're gonna throw one serrano pepper in there. You could do 2 if you want to. I will taste test it and see if I want more. I'm gonna also throw in a red onion, half a red onion. Just gonna dice this up. And then we're gonna do some garlic as well. Garlic's up to you, how many cloves you want. I think I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 cloves. Should I do more garlic?
Yep.
I'll do 5, okay. Yeah, you don't have to ask us. Twice, we love garlic, both Cole and I. So Cole never used to, fun fact, never used to like cilantro until we started, I think, like doing Harper Living, and I think I pushed it on you.
Just a bit.
Just a bit. Do you still taste soap?
I don't. I'm somewhere in the middle on cilantro. I'm not like
It's not your best friend.
abrasive, but I've really grown to love it over, I would say, well, even in the pandemic, there were so many of the recipes I was trying that offer cilantro as well, and they were doing Harper Living, and I think if you get like, you know, the right ratio, it's a really good additive, and I'm sort of grown to love it. Plus, it's a big part of Indian cooking. And,
Huge part of Indian cooking.
you're just in there.
Okay, so now we're gonna add some salt. I'm using Teja Foods pink Himalayan salt. We love salt. Some pepper. We're gonna do some ground cumin. It's really important that we do ground cumin. And I just have my little Indian tadka thali, which has all of the Teja Food spices. And I'm gonna do a little bit of garam masala. So a little bit of garam masala, a little bit of ground cumin. Let's try that again. A little bit of ground cumin, and then we're just gonna see what it tastes like and add more as we go. Okay, let's start blending. Stick this in here. That's how it goes. Okay.
That's a good setup.
Yeah. I think that's good.
That was quick.
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, because we don't want it watery, right?
No.
Oh my God, that is so good. We need another serrano pepper. Throw that in. We need a little bit more ground cumin.
Yeah, cumin's a big part.
Salsa. And then a little bit more garam masala and salt. And pepper. Let's do that again. I think we need garlic. So I said like 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm about to put a whole head, like a whole thing of garlic in there. That is a lot of salsa. We do need garlic. Where did I put my?
So what's it missing?
I feel like it was missing garlic. You want to try some? Let me blend it, and then we'll see.
I can't argue with more garlic.
Yeah. Like, it was good. It just didn't have that like, oh, I want to go for more, you know?
Yeah.
You know.
Probably salt too.
I did add salt.
Yeah, no,
Yeah. Woohoo! Grab another spoon. Here, you could try one. I will try one.
Okay. Come around.
I'll do it here.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
So this is not the red color that I wanted it to be. It's supposed to be a little bit more red. I think I added too much of the cilantro in there, but that's okay. The recipe is on our website. If you go to the recipe, you download the PDF, you can start your ebook, Harper Living cooking book on your ebook, or you could print it out and, you know, have it as a cookbook like I do. It still tastes great. I mean, I love these chips. These are my favorite, and I could eat this all day long. Like, I love.
Not a sponsor, but the La Cucina Fiesta is the best. Gluten-free, great tasting.
It's great. Like, I could eat this all day. I love it. Okay, let's start assembling our 7-layer dip. What we're gonna do is just grab any old refried beans, a can of them. I mean, you could refry them yourself if you want to, but ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Not in this household. In you go. Water and all. Come on. This always looks so gross when I do
It's
it.
the most pleasant sound.
I know. Always looks so gross. Okay, and then we're just going to do a thin layer of this, and this is just a pie plate, you guys. And I like to do a thin layer because when you're dipping your chip in, you want to get a bit of everything. You just don't want them to scoop the top of the surface of just the, like, you know, the sour cream or the salsa. You want them to get everything. So that's why I'd rather have more of a surface area in a thin layer of dip rather than like a denser, smaller tray. We want a shallow tray.
Great idea. That's a good point.
Okay, we're gonna grab our sour cream. And I don't think we need this whole thing. I'm just gonna put half of it in there. Okay, maybe I am gonna use the whole thing, I don't know. And then a little bit of taco seasoning. You can make your own taco seasoning, or you could be lazy and just buy some taco seasoning like I did.
You totally can make it from scratch, but I honestly think the mix, like the exact ratio of a classic Old El Paso taco
Seriously.
is perfect.
Yep. Okay. That's good. We're good to go. And then we're gonna put that right on top.
That's a great idea. I've seen this dip before, but not with adding flavor to the sour cream. That's a great idea.
Thank you, Miss Tasha Baines. That is all her. I never used to do it with the taco seasoning. I only did it just with sour cream. This is looking great. Okay. Then we are gonna go in with our salsa, and we're gonna pour it right on top. That's looking delish. We're doing big things, you guys. This looks great. Okay, then you could do shredded cheese. I like to grate my own cheese because I just feel like it tastes, I don't know. I think it tastes better. I don't like the taste of pre-shredded cheese. I feel like it has like flour on it. So I just grated some cheese, cheddar cheese. Just go ahead and put it on top. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna be so good. You guys, every time we make this, or she makes it, people are always like, who made this dip? And she's like, I did. Now I'm gonna give you guys all the credit and you guys are gonna be like, I did. So good, okay? Once that's done, then we're gonna start adding the layers on top. Now, it's up to you what you wanna add on top. I usually skip olives because I'm not a big olive fan, but I think I'll add it in today because I do have guests coming over tonight, and why not? And this is called 7 layers, so at least let's keep adding these layers on. Let's do our onions. I'm such a messy cook. Like I literally, I know. I wish I could be more like elegant while I'm cooking, but my kitchen is always a disaster. Like I don't really care. I'm like, whatever, just get it done. More onions, because we have them, why not? Boom. Okay, jalapenos. Slice them thin if you can. Beautiful.
That looks awesome.
It's gonna taste even better. Love it. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and open our can of olives, and that's gonna be the last thing. I'm just gonna drain these, and then some olives just to top it off. And there you guys have it. 7-layer dip. That's gonna be a crowd pleaser at any party that you attend. I love this dip. It is delicious. When you guys try it, let me know in the comments how you guys liked it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I sure love it. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Harper Living.